Hello everyone, this is your boy JCUTMoto. Today we're gonna be reviewing a product sent to us by Banggood.com. It is an online website from China, so if you want to buy something, please visit Banggood.com. A few weeks ago, they sent to us an action camera, an entry-level action camera by the name of EKEN H9R. But before anything else, let me just say that this is not going to be a motovlog, but rather a review video. So if you're expecting a motovlog, please skip the video. However, if you want to hear me about the review of EKEN H9R and if you want to win the giveaway afterwards, maybe you want to watch the whole video first, okay? So let's start. EKEN H9R, as I've said, is an entry-level action camera. By entry-level, it means it's one of the cheapest action cameras out there. Yes, one of the cheapest. Murang-mura po siya. It's just around 2,404 pesos and 96 cents. That's the price. Now, including shipping, that would cost you around 100 pesos or 106 pesos to be exact. So that's roughly around 2,500 pesos. So you are going to pay around $50 if that we are going to convert it in USD. So for the price, it's a steal because you're getting this. Of course, you have the camera with the 2-inch LCD non-touch screen. It has buttons, one at the top, on the right side it has two, and at the front it has one. It also has a waterproof case, can withstand a maximum of 30 meters. It also has a battery, a 1050 milliamp hours battery. Also has a lot of mounts included. So these are the mounts right here. Yes, a lot of them. Marami po. One of the coolest accessories included is the remote. Yes, the remote can control the photo taking and video recording functions of the camera. You don't have to press the camera anymore. You just have to press the remote. Now, aside from that, you will get a power brick and a charging cable. So those are the things you will get. There's one thing that I really would like to test when it comes to review like this. It's the image quality of the camera. Now, I really don't have a lot to expect because, as I've said, this is an entry-level action camera. But what I found during my test yesterday, so I went out, I mounted it on my helmet, and then used it to record my ride. So far, I find the image quality or the video quality of the camera decent. So I recorded 1080p at 60 FPS. That is usually the resolution that I use when it comes to motovlogging. Although the camera can shoot 4K at 30 FPS, it can also shoot 2.7K at 30 FPS, can also shoot 1080p at 30 FPS or 720p at 120 FPS. If you ask me why did I not shoot 4K, well, basically 4K is too much for me. It will take me a lot of time to edit. That's the reason why I have choose 1080p at 60 FPS. Now, as far as the video quality is concerned, it is decent. Yes, it is good enough for motovlogging, good enough for taking selfies because photo quality of this one is up to 20 megapixels. The lowest one is 8 megapixels. As long as there is good enough light, the picture and the video quality is decent. So, thumbs up for that. The next thing I have tested is the battery life. Recording at 1080p at 60 FPS lasted 52 minutes to be exact. It's good enough for me. So, good enough battery life. What else? Build quality. You are only paying 2,400 pesos, but so far the build quality of this camera is decent enough. It doesn't feel cheap like other cameras around this price range. So far, I am liking it. Now, as far as user experience is concerned, this camera is one of the easiest I've seen. Everything is self-explanatory, so you don't have to check on a guide or anything online. Just try to explore the camera and you'll understand. So, user experience is a big thumbs up for me. As far as features on this camera is concerned, there are a lot of features or modes on this camera. You have video mode, picture mode, burst mode, and time-lapse mode. These are features that you usually see from the high-end action cameras, but so far this is also included in the EKEN H9R. That is a big thumbs up for me. So those are the positive things. Now, if I am going to point out a negative on this camera is one thing. It's the battery. The battery included is only one. I'd rather have at least 2 batteries. So that's about it for my review. Now, the giveaway. So this is the giveaway that you've been waiting for. So the giveaway, there are 3 mechanics. Number 1, you have to be a subscriber of this channel. Yes, subscribe kayo. Number 2, you have to comment down below why you need to win. And number 3, share this video online on your Facebook account publicly with the hashtag JCUTMoto #1. So that's about it for the mechanics. Announcement will be on April 15. So thanks for watching this review. So again, this is your boy JCUTMoto, but before ending this episode, I have to leave you with this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. If you want to be a motovlogger, you might want to get this EKEN H9R, bro. So that's about it. This is your boy JCUTMoto saying you bye-bye.